Michael Jackson by LEONID AFREMOV, version 3 special treatment. We start the treatment with electric diamonds placed in the whitest areas in the picture. So these are these sort of light areas, so they are the whitest areas. Place your electric diamonds on that section. For version 2, we've got lemon pearls that we have sprinkled on all of the yellow areas. So that would be a portion of his shoulder, as well as some yellow in this section and up here as well. And finally, for version 3, we've got alexandrite that we have sprinkled on all of the blue areas in the painting. So simply have fun and place them on the corresponding colors for your Michael Jackson picture to give it that extra sparkle.